Demo Donna here, and I am so excited to be preparing for my 2024 class schedule. And I have some great collaborations coming your way. The first one is one of my favorites, Pink and Maine. So they have sent me this huge box of goodies, and I am gonna go ahead and give you a little sneak peek. Open this box up, see all the goodies that we get to play with in these upcoming classes in January and February. This is a big box. I feel like this is gonna be a lot of classes. And head on over to Pink and Maine, check out their website, all the fun things that they have to offer, and use discount code DEMODONNA to receive 10% off on everything excluding their monthly kits. So that is all their glitters, embossing powders, stamps, dies, embossing folders, stencils. There are so many goodies in there. You're gonna have fun. All right, check out what's in this box, and I'd love for you to comment below on what you are super interested in learning about, or if you've used some of these products before. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Here is my big box from Pink and Maine. And what they had me do was put together a little wish list, and then it was kind of up to them for what they were going to send me to teach in my classes coming up. So we are the first ones seeing all these goodies together, and I wanted to do an up close and personal first, and then we'll zoom in on the pieces since I don't have enough room. All right, okay, first of all, how cute is this? They actually wrap up all of their little goodies. It's just so adorable. I love it. It's like Christmas. I got the best Christmas present. So I am going to move the box out of the way and get started on going through all the fun things that I have here in my Pink and Maine box. Okay, now that I've opened my box, I removed my adorable little bags, and there were two other boxes in here. So let's find out what we get to be playing with. Some Demo Donna classes coming up. And as I suspected, these are Pink and Maine's beautiful glitters and embossing powders. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Look at all these colors. So we are gonna go through all of these and have a lot of fun designing beautiful cards for upcoming classes. Okay, here is that second box. Let's open this up. And more, ooh, these are their flocking. So I don't know if you guys have played with flocking, but more glitters. Ooh, this is gorgeous. I love all these colors. So pretty. Look at, so this is flocking with some sparkle in it, a little bit of glitter in there. Very pretty. Sparkling. Ooh, sparkling chickadee is that yellow. Ooh, that is gonna be so much fun. Okay, so now for these packages, I believe these are gonna be the stamps and dies. Ooh, look at how beautiful these epoxy dots are. I love the variation of sizes, and I love that there's a lot of each color. Those are gonna be fun to add to our cards. Stamp and die sets. We have some super cute ones that are gonna make our card making so much fun. Valentine's cards, guys. You're taking a sneak peek right now at my January classes. Ooh. You know, I love my tape. So here is some easy tear tape, some of my favorite tapes. We have some really cool techniques that I am going to be showing you with our glitters and our flocking. by Pink and Main, lots of fun. Ooh, look at these big, nice embossing folders. I love the hearts. That is gonna be so cute, and I love the pink embossing folder. Some layering dies, a must-have, some birthday stamps and matching dies. Ooh, again, sneak peek for Valentine's. Look at this stencil. Some more layering stencils. Very fun. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, all in one set. Okay, 2 more packages to go. What's this one gonna be? Oh my goodness, I have been dying to try these Water Gems Sparkling Watercolors. This is gonna be a first for me. I've been eyeballing these for a while. Maybe you have too. So how fun will this be in an upcoming class? Comment below. Have you used these guys before? Would that be fun for you? I am super excited. Those look so fabulous. Okay, my last, but definitely not least, package here. Of course, it's always the hardest one to open, right? Ooh, look at those go together just perfectly. The Easy Flow water brushes by Pink and Main. 6 of them, very cool. And there looks to be different brush sizes. I love it. So these are obviously paired together. I've got fabulous stamp sets I cannot wait to play with, and some amazing embossing folders, stencils, dies, embossing powders, glitters, all by Pink and Main, and a very special discount for all of my fabulous viewers. If you head on over to Pink and Main and you put demo Donna as the discount code, you will receive an additional 10% off on your order. So thank you so much for watching this. Leave in the comments below, what are you excited to learn about? Have you used glitters before? Embossing powders, flocking, these adorable water gems. Do you love to stamp? I can't wait to hear from you guys, and I'm so excited about our January 2024 classes coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.